What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you the data types in Python. The data type in Python includes number, boolean, none, sequence, sets, and mapping. The number data types also includes integer, float, and complex. And sequence data types includes string, list, tuple, and mappings data types includes dictionary. But it has to notice that the sequence data types string, list, tuple, set, and mappings dictionary are usually confused. So I gonna talk about more the name of these data types and the basic feature and the looks of these data types. For example, a sequence of Unicode characters. It is presented by the single quotation mark and double quotation mark. Just like we put the Python into single quotation mark. And the list is the most used sequence in Python, and it is flexible. It means the data in list are changeable. And it is presented by square bracket. What's mean? 1 and 3.3 and Python, we put these three elements into square brackets and we use comma to separate these three elements. Tuple. The basic features of tuple are immutable, but it's safe. It means that the data in tuple are unchangeable. It is presented by round bracket. And you can see tuple is similar with list. Sometimes we are easily confused with them, so you just remember we use round bracket to enclose the elements, but not a square bracket, and the elements in tuple are unchangeable. Set. The basic feature of set are mutable, and the output of elements in set are unique. And we use curly bracket to enclose the elements. Just like that. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. And you have to notice that the input of elements in set doesn't need to be unique, but the outputs of elements in set does. Dictionary. The feature of dictionary is key and value. And we use colon and curly bracket to present it. Key 1 equals Python, key 2 equals Lativa, and key 3 equals Go. And we put these three keys and value in curly brackets, and we put colon between key and value. Alright, what if we want to know what the data type is? What should we do? Let's take a look at type function. For example, we type type 100 and execute it, and we can see 100's type is integer, and we type 105.5 and execute it. It shows float, and we type true and it shows boolean, and we set a list 1, 2, 5 and Lativa. And it shows the data type is list, and we set a dictionary 1 Java 2 C3 Python and type dictionary. Execute it. Yeah, you can see it shows the data type is dictionary. It is very simple, right? Alright, today we have talked about the data types and the basic feature of the sequence data type and how can we know what the data type is. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.